What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today what we're gonna be talking about is another video about Hokk and Shiba and just what I think is gonna happen in the next few days, weeks, and months. Just my final thoughts on everything. Just a complete final thought video just on how I think everything is gonna perform. So if you're new to the channel and you love crypto and you love money, subscribe. You'll be entered to win a $1,500 giveaway if you do that. Like the video, subscribe, and then follow me on Instagram. You get 2 entries if you join my paid Discord down below, which basically is like, you ever struggle with finding tokens and you don't know which ones to invest in and you have no luck really so far trying to double your money. That's basically my job, is to just pretty much find all those tokens, send them to you guys in the group chat, and then you guys can get in and then double your money. We've been doing really good so far. We've doubled pretty much every play that we've done. So yeah, join that down below. It's discounted for 1 more week and then the price will literally raise so much. So without further ado, let's get into this video. So what do I think is going to happen right now? May 30th, when this video is going up, I think that Hokk might have a huge day tomorrow, and if it does, Pillow Girl's right. If you guys didn't see my last video about Hokk, it's linked down below, but it basically gives all the information on what this girl on Twitter, Pillow Girl, she's been right about everything about Hokk, thinks it's gonna happen with the token on May 31st. She thinks that we're gonna literally skyrocket and we're gonna kill 2 zeros. So like I said, she's been right about everything, and if she's right about that, guys, we're literally going to probably have the biggest payday. So it's like, it's 2 things. It's literally gonna either go up or it's gonna go down, obviously. So the question is, what are the next few weeks gonna look like with this? So if Hokk does really well, I'm predicting that Shiba, ZOOT, every little dog token is gonna have another major run, because you know they've all been kind of just sitting still, not really doing much. I told you guys though, the dog coins were gonna die out soon, and they're doing it. They're dying out. They're a dying breed, and it was only a matter of time before this happened. So I think that we're gonna have 1 more huge run with these dog coins, and then that's it. I think that's it for dog coins. I think they're all gone, and I think the meme coins are here to stay. The dog wave is gone. Maybe we'll see an alligator wave or something, who knows. But if Hokk runs, everything else is gonna run, guys, and I think we're gonna be straight. So we'll see what happens. I'm really excited. Yeah, if you're new to the channel and you love money and you're in any of these tokens I'm talking about, subscribe. I call all the best tokens before they're actually out. Like I said about that giveaway, just subscribe, leave a like, follow my Instagram, and you get 2 entries if you join the Discord down below, which, like I said, if you have any troubles finding tokens, that's my job. I do all the hard work for you. Just follow my plays, and that's it. So yeah, I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next video.